Hey, so it's been a little over 2 years since I started the YouTube channel, and I thought, I was looking back at, who's subscribed to it. I got a whopping 638 subscribers right now. So for those of you who have been so kind as to subscribe and other viewers of this channel, I kind of took a look at what other things you guys were watching through the analytics, and a lot of it's off-road stuff. But then other stuff seems to be like hiking and fishing and bicycling. And it's kind of a weird mix. I mean, maybe you guys are interested in off-roading as well. I'm not sure. And one of the things I'd love to hear is in the comments if you could kind of give me an idea of what kind of stuff you want to see on the channel. I know that there's a couple of things we focus on. We focus on off-road, primarily off-road. Obviously, it's Prescott four-wheeler channel. We kind of do a mix of mild and scenic stuff. And we kind of do a mix of wild and challenging stuff. And we kind of do a little bit of repair and fabrication. I don't have a lift and all that, but I can do a fair amount of stuff with a welder and a grinder and a plasma cutter and a press and an engine hoist. So to the extent that I can show you guys what stuff I'm doing on my Jeep and other vehicles as well, I do that. I don't know, I guess I kind of, in my head, I'm like in my 20s and 30s still. I still want to do all that stuff. But my ankles and my knees and my back are reminding me that I'm actually in my 60s. And I noticed my demographic is skewing towards the 40, 50, 60 range. So I guess the youngins aren't watching the old fart wheeling, but whatever. It is what it is. One of these days you'll be as old as I am, and I hope you're still having fun and enjoying life as much as I am today. So I'm blessed to call all this my backyard. It's awesome to be able to drive out my front door and be in the dirt and in the forest in a matter of minutes. It's pretty awesome. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on the content that we're doing, the things that we're posting, the videos that we're making. So if you're subscribed, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, I'd sure appreciate it if you would.